We're excited to introduce the Pantone integration in Raspberry AI, a faster, more intuitive way to work with trusted Pantone colors directly inside your design workflow. Pantone is now available in both boards and the classic workspace, so you can search, apply, save, and reuse colors without leaving Raspberry. Before getting started, you'll find Pantone Connect in your team settings under Integrations. Pantone takes 2 tokens to connect, and if you need to purchase tokens, you can contact your Raspberry sales representative to get set up. Let's start in boards. I'll open this Pantone Recolors board and select a sketch that I've already rendered photoreal. From here, I'll pull out one of these sweaters and click Apply Color. First, I'm going to apply color to the full garment, then assign colors. As soon as I enter the Apply Color workflow, Pantone is available right here. I can search using either a Pantone color code or the color name. For this example, I'll choose Cloud Dancer, Toffee, Burgundy, and Bleached Denim. Once those colors are added, I'll have a new palette ready to use. I can choose whether or not to display the swatches on my outputs, then click Generate. Raspberry creates one output for each selected color, so I can quickly review the garment in several Pantone options. Now I'll show that same workflow on a color-blocked garment. I'll go back into Apply Color, but this time, instead of applying color to the full garment, I'm going to select the individual elements because I want to recolor all of them. Here, I'm grouping the V-neck trim, sleeve cuffs, and hem together. Then I'll create another group for the body and sleeves. Now I can assign different Pantone colors to each group. One thing to point out is if I use the color picker, Pantone automatically selects the closest matching color. From there, I can continue searching for and assigning colors. I'll choose Cloud Dancer for the trim, and Dusty Rose for the body and sleeves. I can also create more colorways. I'll click Generate to create the updated colorway. Pantone is also available in our classic workspace. Let's go back to the men's sweater. I'm going to double-click the style to open the Edit module, then go to Color. Right away, I can see that Pantone colors are now available, and I can click to start trying different options. The first step is to create a color palette. Just like in boards, if I use the color picker, Pantone will automatically choose the closest matching color. But in this case, I already know which colors I want. I'm going to add Cloud Dancer, Toffee, Burgundy, and Bleached Denim again. Once those colors are added, I can close out and save them as a reusable palette by clicking the bookmark icon. For example, I might name this group Pantone Fall 2027. After I save it, those colors are ready to reuse later under swatches, making it easy to keep color development consistent across future projects. You can also download as a .ase file to use in other parts of the Raspberry AI platform. I can use the automatic detection tools and apply color to the full garment here, following essentially the same workflow as in boards. With the Pantone integration in Raspberry AI, it's easier to explore, apply, and standardize color across your workflow. Whether you're building concepts in boards or saving palettes in the classic workspace, give it a try the next time you're working with color in Raspberry.